Good evening, all. Welcome back. And this is the continuation of the diagram based test. Hope you all can hear me. All of you ready to take test? Okay, not audible. What about others? Okay, others can hear me, so they are replying yes, they are ready to take test. Okay, Revati, thumbs up. Huh? Okay, now I'll just share the screen. You just have a look on a diagram. Okay, and let me know who will answer the questions based on the diagram. Okay, now look at the diagram. Okay, just you all gone through the diagram. They are very enlarged green cells surrounding two bean shaped cells. What is the name of those cells? So you all gone through the diagram. They were green enlarged cells. What is the name given for green enlarged cells? Chloroplast. Very big cells, very big cells. Not small cells in a bean shaped cells. Enlarged cells. So many answers. Okay. Okay, so many answers, so many options. Huh? Okay, I'll share the screen once again. You just have a look. I'm asking very big green cells, enlarged cells, outermost enlarged cells. Outermost green cells are called as no, the answer is subsidiary cells. Outermost green cells are called as subsidiary cells. Inside the subsidiary cells, there are two bean-shaped cells called guard cells. Inside the guard cells, there are small green pea-like structures called chloroplast. And in the center, it has a pore called stomatal pore or stoma. Is that clear? Okay. large cells, subsidiary cells, shaped cells, large cells, they are green dots. Green dots are that is called stomatal pore. Okay, now based on this, the questions are: in order to open the stomata, the water content present in the guard cells is increased or decreased. In order to open the stomata, the water content in the guard cells is increased or decreased. Yes, Priyanka answered correctly. Increases. If the water content increases, then guard cells become turgid, swells, then it opens. And if water is decreased, what happens to the guard cells? Yes, increase is the right answer. Good. Now, when water is decreased, the amount of water is decreased in the guard cells, what happened to the stomata? If water content is decreased, what happens to the stomata? Okay, they will shrink. Okay. I need one more answer. Shrink is correct answer, but what happens to the stomata? Shrink is correct. But what happens to the stomata, whether it closes or open? Yes, it's Priyanka answered. It closes. Very good, Priyanka. Remember, the questions based on stomata, it is based on the water content. When it will open, when it close. Okay. And the very frequently asking question on stomata is: what are the functions of stomata? What are the functions of stomata? Yes, it closes. Good. Now everybody answering correctly. Now tell me, what are the functions of stomata? Yes, stomata get closed. Correct answer. Good, everybody answered correctly. Now what are the functions of stomata? Put in a simple words. What is that? Opening and closing of stomata, Arpita? When it gets shrink, it closes, right? Now, what is the function of stomata? Yes, carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place through the stomata. Gaseous. One more function of the stomata. Sandhya, what is that? Exchange of plant? Wrong, it is exchange of gases. Okay, I'll repeat. There is one more function of stomata. What is another function other than exchange of gases? Kalpana. Yeah, I already told today I have a poor network. Yes, Gayatri answered correct. That is, yes, not only oxygen, even carbon dioxide also get exchanged. Okay, I'll reveal the answer. Change of gases. Stomata helps in transpiration, evaporation of water from the plant. It is through the stomata, right? It helps in transpiration. Is that clear? Okay, I'll repeat. Stomata helps in gaseous exchange and also in transpiration. Okay. Now I'll show the screen. You just have a look. Yeah, it happens, Kalpana. You should wait. And that too, this is evening. Definitely we'll have the network problem. Okay, you all gone through the diagram. Now tell me the enzyme which is produced in the buccal cavity, that means in the mouth, which is an enzyme produced in the buccal cavity or in the mouth. Oh, so late, Tejashwini. Why so late? Yes, it's Priyanka answered amylase. Excellent answer, Priyanka. It's correct. The enzyme synthesized in the buccal cavity, that is amylase. Okay. Yes, others also answering correctly. It is amylase. Remember, in the mouth, amylase enzyme is synthesized. Okay, my next question. Good. All of you answering same answer, amylase. Good, correct answer. Now, the next question. Amylase breaks down the carbohydrate. And which is that carbohydrate? Amylase. Yes. For the next question. Yeah, so late, Varsha. No, Priyanka. Everybody went wrong. No, sorry, it's wrong. No, glucose is wrong. Yeah, Manasa, so late. Okay, which is a carbohydrate digested with the help of enzyme amylase? Remember, recall. Of course, it is a sugar. I need the name. What is the name of that sugar? Okay, I'm not getting the answer. I'll reveal. It is starch. Amylase converts starch into what? Yeah, Kirti attended the question. Very good, Kirti, but full of spelling mistakes, right? But very excellent answer. Good, Kirti. Kirti attended perfectly, but spelling mistake. Okay, for my question, Kirti answered. It is starch into maltose. Starch is a sugar. Okay, it is a carbohydrate which is digested by the use of by the applying of amylase. Okay, good. Now everybody rectified your answer. Good. My next question. What is the other name of food pipe? What is the other name of food pipe? What is the other name of food pipe? Perfectly, it is esophagus. Very good, Revati. Ashwini. Okay, Pallavi, Varlakshmi, Vidya. Now everybody answered correctly. Good. Good answers. I need such very good answers. Okay. Okay. My next question is the part of alimentary canal which helps in digestion of fats. The part of alimentary canal which helps in digestion of fats. Today, but still you can attend the questions. The part I'm not asking enzyme. The part of alimentary canal, or it also called as or fat. Wrong. Yeah, Kirti attended, but why she mentioned duct? Yes, Varlakshmi answered perfectly. It is liver. Liver is a gland. Sorry, it is an organ which takes a major part in the digestion of fat. Nandita also correct answer. Yes, many now they answered correctly. Liver is the right answer. Okay. My next question. Liver digests the fat by the process called. How it will digest the fat? Okay, Priyanka answered first. Okay, I didn't observe. Okay, Priyanka answered first, not Kirti. It's Priyanka. Yeah, Kirti, bile duct. You got confused between the organ and the duct. Okay. Okay, now try to answer for this. By which process does the liver digest the fat? Yes, it's emulsification of fat. That is Priyanka attended this question. Very good, Priyanka. Emulsification of fat. Emulsification of fat is a process where a large fat globules breaks down to small fat globules, and that is a maximum digestion takes place by the liver by emulsification of fat and secretion. And what is that secretion name? Yes, emulsification of fat is right answer, Sneha. Pallavi, Revati, yes, right. And this could possible by the secretion. And what is the name of that secretion? Yes, everybody answering correctly. What is the name of the secretion? Yes, Suresh Reddy. Who is under name Suresh Reddy? Yes, very good, Tejashwini. It's bile juice. Excellent answer. Very good. Okay, Janavi. Okay, ma. Okay. Stomach secretes two kinds of enzymes. What is the name of those two enzymes? Okay, Varsha, I'll repeat the question. What are the names of enzymes synthesized in stomach? Yeah, bile juice is correct, but spelling mistake. Praveen Kodar. Spelling mistake. Yes, it's Revati and Priyanka answered pepsin and renin is the right answer, which is secreted in the stomach. Yes, Varalakshmi also answered correctly. Pepsin and renin are the two enzymes produced in the stomach. Madam, I think Harshita, right? Harshita? Okay, ma, here the enzymes are pepsin and renin. Okay, mucus is a secretion, okay, which keeps the stomach away from the ulcers. But when we speak about the enzymes, it is pepsin and renin. Is the right answer? Is that okay, Harshita? Is that clear, Harshita? Okay, it's cleared. It's pepsin and renin are secreted in the stomach. Okay. My next question is, which organ is called as dual gland in the alimentary canal? Which organ is called as dual gland in the alimentary canal? Yes, it's Priyanka answered first. That is pancreas. Pancreas is the gland which is usually called as dual gland because it acts as endocrine and exocrine. Very good. Everybody answering correctly. It is pancreas. Pancreas is called as dual gland. Very good answers. My next question is the pancreas, it is an endocrine gland because it secretes two kinds of enzymes. Okay, it's not enzymes. I'm so sorry. Endocrine gland. It secretes two kinds of hormones. Pancreas secretes two kinds of hormones. What are the names of those two hormones? Okay, I'll repeat. Of hormones. Name them. Repeat us so fast. Okay, I changed the question. It is not secretions. I changed to hormones. Now tell me hormones. Even Varsha, very fast. Okay, I changed my question. It is not secretions. You just tell me hormones. Yes, it's Priyanka answered. Insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon are the two hormones secreted in pancreas. Yes, Revati, Varsha, Nandita. Nandita, those two are the secretions, not hormones. Okay, let me clarify here. Pancreas is a dual gland. It acts as endocrine and exocrine. It is called as endocrine because it secretes the hormones called insulin and glucagon. It is called as exocrine because it secretes the enzymes and which will be usually flown into the ducts, pancreatic duct. And those enzymes are lipase, trypsin, and many more. But when we come to the hormones, insulin and glucagon are the hormones. Okay? Okay, all of you cleared? Okay, my next question. Which is the hormone which controls the glucose level in the blood? Which is the hormone which controls glucose level in the blood? Now tell me which is the hormone which controls the glucose level in the blood? Yes, it's Revati answered insulin. Insulin is the hormone which controls the glucose level in the blood. So Revati, Priyanka, and many of you all answered correctly. It is insulin. Very good answer. Now my next question is, yes, Yashashwini is also answered correctly. My next question, when we feel very hungry, during hunger, we don't have food at that time. But still, after some time, after 5 or 10 minutes, we feel relaxed without having the food. Even though we are hungry, we didn't had any food, 10 to 15 minutes, we feel okay. Now, okay, I'm not so much of hungry. During this condition, the stored food is converted into glucose. What is okay, Tejashwini, it's Revati answered first, and next Priyanka, next you. Okay. Okay. What is the name of the stored food which usually converts into glucose during fasting and during hungry. No, Yashaswini, not ATP. Not audible. Okay. During fasting, the stored food converts into glucose. What is the name of stored food? Yes, it's Priyanka answered glycogen. Glycogen is a stored food stored in the liver, and during fasting it converts glucose, right? Okay, if it is clear, shall we move on to the next? And there is a finger-like projections in the small intestine. And what is the name of that structure? Finger-like projections. The name of the finger-like projections is? Yes, present in the small intestine. Very good answer. Yes, Villa is the correct answer. Veda, Naveen, Nandita, Archana, Arpita, Rekha, everybody answered correctly. It is villi. Okay. My last question on alimentary canal is, where does the complete digestion takes place in the alimentary canal? Where does the complete digestion takes place in the alimentary canal? Where does complete digestion takes place in alimentary canal? Yes, again it's Priyanka answered small intestine. Small intestine is the correct answer where the complete digestion takes place. Very good answer, Priyanka. Even Varsha, Varlakshmi simultaneously they answer. Yeah, Sandhya, correct answer. Yes. Yashashwini, correct answer. Varsha, Tejashwini, everybody answered correctly. Okay. My last two questions on this alimentary canal is, while asking the questions based on the diagram, they may ask, what are the functions of small intestine? What are the functions of large intestine? Okay. What are the functions of small intestine and large intestine? It takes time to type, right? But you remember, these two are very important. They may ask in your board exam. Okay, no need to type the answer, it takes time. But definitely the questions may arise on the function of small intestine and the functions of large intestine. Okay, no need to type. We'll move on to the next diagram based questions. Okay. Yeah, Meghana, you're still answering for the previous one. Good. Okay. If it is cleared, we'll move on to the next. Those two questions, that is functions of small intestine, large intestine, it is very important. Go through that. No need to type. It takes time. Okay. Okay. Now you just have a look on the screen. Okay. You all gone through the flow chart. Okay. Now I'll ask, glucose, how many carbons? Glucose has how many carbon atom? Okay, I'll repeat. Glucose has how many carbon? Yes, it's Revati answered 6. Yes, now everybody answering correctly. It is 6. Very good. My next question. Pyruvate has how many carbons? Pyruvate has how many carbon? It's Arpita answered 3 carbons. Pyruvate has 3 carbon molecule. Yes, it's correct. 3 carbon. Okay. One more question. Ethanol has how many carbons? Ethanol. Ethanol has how many carbon? Yes, 3 is correct for pyruvate. Everybody answering correctly and all of you trying. That's the spirit. Not just seeing everybody are typing the answer. That's the spirit. Very good. Keep it up. All of you. Yes, it is. Ethanol has 2 carbon. Very good answers. Very good answers. I don't see who answered first. But ethanol has 2 carbon. That's correct answer. Okay. My next question. Okay. Listen to my question. I'll go slow. An athletic player, when he continuously involved in the game, suddenly he fall on the ground because of muscle cramp. And the muscle cramp is due to the formation of what? I'll repeat. An athletic sports player, he suddenly fall in the game because of muscle cramp, and this is due to the formation of the answered lactic acid. Due to the formation of lactic acid, athletic player will face muscle cramps. Very good answer, Priyanka, Kirti. And all of you, you all answered correctly. Lactic acid is the right answer. Okay. When the respiration takes place, the glucose converts into pyruvate. Okay. Where do this takes place? The conversion of glucose into pyruvate, where does this one? Okay, my next question is, glucose converts into pyruvate. Where actually glucose converts into pyruvate? Yes, it's Priyanka and Yashashwini answered first. That is, cytoplasm is the correct answer. Very good. Yashashwini and Priyanka, correct? Arpita, right? Very good answer. To form carbon dioxide. I'll repeat. Pyruvate converts into carbon dioxide and water. Where do the pyruvate converts into carbon dioxide and water? It is Varalakshmi. Priyanka answered. It takes place in mitochondria. Very good. And even Revati answered with much speed. It is mitochondria. Yes, now all of you answering correctly. It's mitochondria. This is very important. It will be asked in your board exam for multiple choice and also for 1 mark questions. Okay. Yes, mitochondria is correct answer. Now you just have a look on the diagram. Okay, now you all gone through the heart transfer section diagram. Now the question is, which is the largest artery which carries blood from the heart to the body? Which is the largest artery which pumps the blood from? No, Priyanka. Largest artery which carries blood from the heart. Everybody going wrong? No, not even a single correct answer. Which is the largest artery which carries blood from the? No, no. Yeah, excellent answer. It is aorta. Very answered correctly for this question. Largest artery which carries blood from the heart is it is aorta. Okay, cleared? Cleared all of you? Aorta is the largest artery which carries blood from the heart. Now, yes, all of you answering correctly. Aorta. Aorta is the right answer. Good. Now, my next question. Which is an artery which carries impure blood? Which is an artery which carries impure blood? Which is an artery which carries impure blood? Yes, this is correct. Now, the answer is incomplete, Priyanka. Pulmonary artery is the right answer because pulmonary, it will come for veins also, right? No, Tejashwini, wrong. It's not vein. My question is, which is an artery which carries impure blood? It is pulmonary artery. How many chambers are there in human heart? How many chambers are there? Yes, it's Priyanka, Kirti, Revati, everybody answered correct. Good. 4 is the right answer. Okay. On this, The questions may asked on arteries, veins, and its functions. Okay, and also diagram is very important for your board exam. Okay, we'll move on to the next diagram. Diagram is very important for your exam. And this is also important for your exam. Okay, this is also very important for your exam. It is an human excretory system. Excretory organ in human. Okay, I'll repeat. Excretory system which helps in excretion. Yes, Yashashwini answered correctly. It is kidney. A pair of kidney is very important in filtering the blood and removing the nitrogenous waste. Kidneys plays a very important role in filtration of the blood. Kidneys is the right answer. Yashashwini answered correctly. Okay, my next question is, the functional unit of kidney is called as. The functional unit of the kidney is. Which is a functional unit of kidney called? What is that, Rekha? Left kidney, right kidney. What is that? Which is a functional unit of kidney? Yes. The nephron has a cup-shaped structure. Pressure. High pressure. Nephron is the right answer for the previous one. Revati, where you are? Why you went for lungs? I mean kidney. Yes, Kirti answered Bowman's capsule, where the blood will be filtered with high pressure. Bowman's capsule. Very good, Kirti. Yes, Yashashwini is also answered correctly. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, you all gone through the neuron diagram. The longest branch of the neuron is called as of neuron, and the long branch of the neuron is called as the right answer. Priyanka answered correctly. It's axon. The long branch of the neuron is called axon. Very good. Yes, axon is the right answer. Okay. Now, axon carries the message in dash form. In which form does the axon carries the message? Yes, axon is correct for previous. Okay, I didn't get the reply for this one. Yes, Kirti answered correctly. Yes, electrical impulse is the right answer. Electrical impulse. Kirti, I think she answered first. Correct answer, Kirti. And what is synapse? What is synapse? This is very important for your board exam. What is synapse? What is synapse? Okay, my battery is very down. Okay, the last question is what is synapse? You just type and send me the answer, and that will be the last question because my battery is down. Okay, what is synapse? You just type it, and that will be the last. And see you all soon, very soon, tomorrow. Okay, now reply for the question what is synapse. Thank you for participation and good responses. Yes, it's correct. A gap between two neurons. A gap between two neurons or neuron endings, right? Both are correct answers. Okay, thank you one and all. See you all soon tomorrow.